how to make a stand in Please Donate. So here, as you can see, I'm on Roblox and I'm on the Please Donate server. So what you gotta do is just basically go to a free stand. So here, as you can see, this one is claimed, but right over here, this one is unclaimed. So it will say that it's unclaimed. So what you have to do basically is just claim it. So once you go right next to it here, as you can see, you get to see the option of claim. Just basically press E. And here, as you can see, you've basically claimed this. Just do this, and here, as you can see, now you get to edit your stand. If you press E again, here, as you can see, you can do all the editing and do all the stuff. So if you want to select the boot, you can select the boot, whatever type of boot you want. So it depends on the donations and like the stuff you need for the boots. So we're gonna use basic boot for this one. But then we got text right over here. So in text, you can just put anything right over here. I'm just gonna type in just like this. And here, as you can see, it's applied. And you can also choose the text font. I'm just gonna do the normal one, or you could just go for highway. And then text color, then stroke. You could just basically choose whatever you would like to edit. And then we come to the VIP section. So if you have VIP pass, you can do all the editing. And after that, you could here, as you can see. So now, if you want to like give like donation stands, so here, as you can see, for example, for other people, here, as you can see, they get like so they can sell game passes and stuff like that for like one Roblox and stuff like that. So it's pretty simple. What you have to do is go to your website. So here, as you can see, this is the website, and I've already logged in. So what you have to do is just type in create.roblox.com. Here, as you can see, you'll be right over here. What you have to do is just basically press on creations. Make sure that you're on the same account. I'm not on the same account as the Roblox one. I'm just showing this for an example. But yeah, just make sure that the game you're currently playing and the account are the same. But yeah, if you do this, just go to your creations options. And right over here, you will be able to see an experience, and everybody will have a place, and it will be public. So you just gotta press on it. And now you'll be able to see the options right over here. Like here are many options, but you just gotta find the option under the monetization, and here will be passes. You just gotta press on passes, and now you gotta create a pass. So here, as you can see, you just have to create a pass, and now just name your pass anything you would like to. You can also put the picture. So I'm just gonna type in here and then put the description or whatever you like to, and then press create pass. Now I've created the pass. Now here, as you can see, if I press on off sale, and then we go to sale, now we gotta put in some Robux to it. So creator earnings are 70%. So let's say if we want for 2 Robux or maybe even 3, and then we will just press save changes. And now our item is basically for off sale. Now you can copy the asset ID and then put it wherever you would like to. And now you can just basically use it and do our process of selling and having boots and stand or like in Please Donate. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can make a stand in Please Donate. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please consider subscribing, and that's it. Goodbye.